My name is Manny Hundrulis, Vice President of Energy Products Distribution. Energy Products Distribution was founded in 1985 as a 3M master distributor. We offer the full array of 3M automotive and architectural films and finishes. EPD does everything that a typical box distributor does. We get film from point A to point B. Our shipping department is highly efficient and accurate. We ship nationwide, and we offer free ground shipping for many films. There isn't a Fasara pattern that we don't stock, and we carry every color of 2080 wrap film. The value add we provide our customers is one of lead generation through our extensive digital footprint, hands-on installation, sales, marketing, and product knowledge training through EPD University, and a new industry service that we're now offering called Career Connect. It's the ZipRecruiter or Indeed of the film industry. It helps to pair a dealer looking for labor with an installer looking for employment. EPD Partner Portal, which is an online data repository where our dealers can access important information 24/7, and an online store where our dealers can purchase different films, request free samples, and purchase tools. We offer same-day shipping, and we cut in 1 linear foot increments so you can purchase what you need and nothing more. EPD offers its customers 4 easy ways to order. You can call us, text us, email us, or shop online. Any dealer looking to take their business to the next level and partner with EPD and 3M should visit our website and click Become a Dealer at the top of the page.